Hi everyone, we're gonna do another vlog. Ang vlog natin today is you don't have to give up, no? Bakit natin to sinasabi? Kasi it's already January and a lot of companies na minsan nagbabawas sila ng tao at sometimes nagdadagdag naman by January. So, hindi porket nag-close yung door sa'yo, you'll think about it as bad or masama. No, masama na pagsaran ako ng pinto or natanggal ka sa trabaho or i-relocate yung trabaho nyo sa ibang lugar, no? Or bibigyan ka ng ibang accounts or you're trying to find a better job, a better paying job, no? Or you wanted more from what you're having as of the moment, or you're finding it too easy for you. You're too comfortable sa trabaho mo na as of the moment. 'Di ba? Minsan pag sobrang komportable tayo, you felt like I wanted more. This is not for me, parang ganon, no? I needed more, parang ganon. So, at the times you get into a crossroad, 'di ba? Parang ganon, may humps, may kailangan mong mag-stop and mag-decide kung ano talaga yung gagawin mo sa buhay. And there are a lot of options talaga na binubuksan sa atin ng Panginoon. Minsan iisip natin, hindi, katapusan ko na to, I'm not for this, this won't work for me, parang ganon. But more often you just don't realize na God is actually just helping you out. He's actually He's actually just opening some doors, 'di ba? Pag may nagsaradong pintuan, sometimes they open the window, 'di ba? He opens a window for us. So, hindi talaga porket nagsarado yung door, wala ka ng chance or you're not gonna find a better job. Actually you will. 'Di ba? Kaya nga nag-close yung door na yun kasi God has prepared a door or another window for you to come in. So it doesn't mean na nagsarado or ma-relocate kayo and you don't want to relocate to a such place or yung lugar na yun kasi malayo. 'Di ba? Hindi ibig sabihin that that's the end, 'di ba? Ayan, pakita ko to, ang gaganda kasi. Ayan. It doesn't mean na yun na yung katapusan mo, no? Huwag ka rin masyado malulungkot and don't be violent enough to harm another person kasi feeling mo nasira na yung mundo mo o yung kinabukasan mo o yung you cannot feed your family anymore, 'di ba? Kasi nawalan ka ng trabaho. Always think of the brighter side. Laging may mas magandang ibibigay sa atin ng Panginoon. And don't you worry kasi mahal na mahal ka niya. Until our next vlog. Bye!